Everyone, what's up? So in this video I am going to share something very important with you, and that is, many folks in my college, they often ask me that okay Jaya, tell me where do I find some internships so that I can be certified and I can put that into my resume in order to increase the chances of getting shortlisted. So, in this video, we'll discuss one of the organizations which will provide you internship based upon the skill set you have. All right. So, let's get into the video. See, I have an organization which is called CodeAlpha. We at CodeAlpha provide internship to students, basically the first year, second year, third year, or fourth year. In whatever the year you are, that doesn't matter. You will be able to find the internship according to the tech stack you are skilled in, and of course, after completing the internship period, you will be getting a certificate which you will be able to put in your resume to increase the chances of getting shortlisted. All right. So the the first thing is, it will enhance your skill. All right, it is going to enhance your skill because when you will apply for the CodeAlpha for the internship, actually I will be also telling you the process in which you can register for the internship. Firstly, let's have some brief lookout into it. Okay, so it is going to enhance your skill first, whatever the skill set, like you are interested in web development, app development, cyber security and all, you are going to enhance your skill. Second thing is, you will be certified. You will get certificate after the completion of the internship period. And the tenure is, you can do internship for 1 month, 3 month, and 6 months, all right, according to the tech stack. And the domains, the domains, like you can do internship in domains like web development and app development. All these things we will see in this video. So firstly, let's explore the site of CodeAlpha. So the site name you will find in the description below. The site is codealpha.tech. All right, so I'm here on codealpha.tech. So suppose if you want to register for the internship, so here you will click on internship, and after this, here you can see pick a internship to get started. So let me show you here. See, all the internships listed you can see over here: the web development, app development, Java development internship. These are the domains you will be doing your internships in. All right, Python programming internships, machine learning internship is also there. Machine learning is now becoming the most in demand technologies in 2024. Data science internship, cyber security, and C++ programming internships as well. All these internships you will find on the site of CodeAlpha, and we are going to see the process in which you can register for the internships. All right, so suppose I am interested in web development, so I will click on register over here. Then you can see a form. All right, you can see a form, and here you will be able to fill up the form by giving your details. So you can see the internship registration form, and the time period is 1 month. You can see it is for 1 month. Subsequently you will find others as well. Okay, so also one more important thing, you can also if you want to visit the site, you can visit the site over here. Also, you can follow our LinkedIn page and our telegram channel and Instagram also. You can follow us on there. Okay, so let's get into it, how to fill up the form. So firstly, you will provide the email ID. So whatever the email ID you have, you will put it over here. Then your name, then your gender. All right, and contact number you will give over here. The country you are in, India, and the college name, you will provide your college name. And here you will provide the highest academic qualification. Suppose I did BTech, so you can select something like this, whatever your choice is. And the current year of your course, like if you're doing BTech, then currently you are in which year. Like if you're on BSc, you're on BCA, BA, MSc, MBA, any course you are in, then which year you are in. Okay, and where did you learn about, it means that from where you heard about CodeAlpha. So you can, of course, you can shout out to my video. All right, and here the internship domain, in what domain you want to do the internship. Suppose you like data science, app development, Python programming, you can select it from here, and then you will add your resume, whatever the knowledge, the experience you have in any tech stack or the tech stack related to this one, you can put in your resume and you can submit your resume here, and then you will click on the submit button. All right. So after clicking on the submit button, your registration form will be submitted, and there you will find a WhatsApp group. Please, it's a huge request to join the WhatsApp group by clicking on that WhatsApp icon, because after you will be enrolled in the program, after the enrollment of the program, all the necessary things and stuffs which regarding the internships will be shared on the WhatsApp group. So it is very necessary for you all to join the WhatsApp group. All right. So you all will have to join the WhatsApp group after filling the form. Okay. What other things? I told you that the certificate you will be getting after completing the internship period, that you can add on to your resume. We looked onto the domains, all the domains I told you, and how to fill the form I told you. Yeah, after filling the form, after 4 to 5 days, you will receive an offer letter from the team of CodeAlpha, and in the offer letter they will mention the time period of your internship as well as some other stuffs related to that. All right. So offer letter will be received by you on your email. All right. So do not forget to make an email ID, क्योंकि बहुत सारा काम ईमेल पे ही होने वाला है, बहुत सारा काम ईमेल पे होगा और तुम्हारे व्हाट्सएप ग्रुप पे होने वाला है, तो वो सब तुम देख लेना, बना लेना. And yeah, if you are unable to register, then I will give you the link in the description below. From there also you